What up, Kevin? What up, Billy? Thanks, everybody, for joining tonight. We are back with another case break special. We are kicking it off with the first Topps Chrome Mega Case break that we have done so far. And we shall see how it goes. We've got a number of mega cases. We've got blaster cases. So we are going to be running through those throughout the next week. I hope you guys are excited. Excuse me for that one. Got a frog in the old throat. Alrighty then. What up, Kev? Alright, while everybody is streaming into the live, take a peek. This is the case right over yonder. And it's about to blow. Are you ready? Here's the starting lineup. We got Blake with the D-backs. Brandon, welcome to the break. First time with Parlay with the Braves. Ricky with the O's. Grady with the Red Sox. Joe with the Cubs. Jeff with the White Sox. Rich with the Reds. Ryan with the Guards. Nick with the Rockies. Joey with the Tigers. Chris T with the Stros. Johnny M with the Royals. Matty T with the Angels. Davidson, Dodgers. Blake with the Marlins. Ryan with the Brew Crew. Blake with the Twins. Kevin Mets. Steven with the Yanks. Adam with the A's. Britton with the Phils. Nick with the Pirates. Ron with the Pods. Carlos Giants. Josh with the Mariners. Welcome back, Josh. Kevin, welcome back with the Cards. SAH with the Rays. Blake with the Rangers. Ricky Jays. And Britton with the Nats. What up, Paul? Good evening to you, sir. Thank you for always being such an awesome dude and your kind words. I hope you're feeling good tonight. All right, guys. Well, that's what we got. It's 7:36 p.m. on the East Coast. And you know how we started here at Parlay Breaks. I tells you, we always start our breaks by first breaking that glass. Time to get the fighting gloves on. Are you ready to rumble? Here we go. Yes, sirree, Bob. It's time to roll. Are you ready to rumble? I know I am. Kev's making the call, and you know who's getting out here. He's got it right. The man, the myth, the legend, the master of the ladder match. He is Razor Ramon. Hey, yo. Good luck, guys. This is the first time that we're going to rip here on the channel the newly sized mega boxes. These cases are tiny for mega box cases. Man, they used to be huge. Now look at them. They are miniature. Woo, they should call them miniature boxes. Oh, I'm blowing up the whole stage here with the case because I got too confident. Here we go. And it's gonna fall. Timber. All right, unfortunate. Empty box. They didn't make them very stable, unfortunately, standing on the sides. So we're going to have to pick these on up. And while I'm doing that, you guys are going to let me know. Let's see. What are we going to have here? 2 stacks, maybe? Let's see. I think we'll get 2 stacks. You guys let me know. We're going to start with the left stack or the right stack. First comment that tells me which stack is the one we're going to go with. So, my oh my, when you're used to a mega box being somewhat synonymous with the name mega, you are quite not used to it being this small. Look at these puppies. They have shrunk them down quite a bit. They look like a tiny hobby box. Actually, you know what they look like? If you remember a Topps Gold label, they kind of look like those boxes now. Feeling great tonight. I appreciate it, Paul. I appreciate it. What's up, Kev? Good luck. We're going to get the stand set up, and it is a left call for Jesse. Thank you, Jesse. Hope you're doing well out there. Our brother from the far west coast. All right, we got the parlay stands. We're going to have to fix them all because they're still in thick card mode from all that pristine. We've got more coming. So we got a lot of lefts. I like it. Rip it like last night. Power rip. Ooh, that might be. I'm not sure. We could try it. It's going to be a lot here. Let's see. I think we will super rip each box. We'll do one box at a time on the super rip, maybe. Or maybe, you know what? Maybe we'll do like 5 at a time. I think that's maybe what we'll do. Good luck, guys. How many autos do you guys think we are going to get out of this case? So this is my first case that I have ripped of this. We've got more coming. Let's do 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll super rip 5 at a time. How about that? I gotcha, Blake. I gotcha. Empty. You know what? I should have done it this way. Get them all out of here first. These gloves are, I don't know why they're so loose. Feeling looser today. Empty. We'll do 5 at a time. 6 autos, 4 autos. Matt says 2. Boy, that is a wide variety we've got here. 2, 6, 4. Do I hear 8? What have you guys been seeing on average from if you've been in other breaks or watching other breaks or have ripped your own case? What have you been seeing? All right, we got to get situated. I'm used to doing 5 at a time and not being able to fit them on the stage. This is the kind of cool part is that now we can fit an entire case here on the stage, whereas with the mega boxes, they were so much bigger than the cards itself. Barely fit them on the stage. 3.2. Is that like the average number of children that families have? Remember that from when I was a kid. It was like the average was 2.5 children. Just watched the case break with only 1 auto? Oh, boy. Well, I certainly hope that we don't head down that path. That's for sure. Hopefully that was the outlier, the anomaly. But you never know. Let's see. And how many numbered hits do you guys think we're going to see in this case? All right, here we go. Turning it back to Topps Chrome. All the usual chases are in here. The X-Fractor colored hits. This is going to be the first time where the colored hits that we get are going to be all X-Fractor or true because of the new configuration that Topps has created this release with Topps Chrome. So we shall see. Paul says 7 auto, 11 numbered. Like the no mega pack style again. That is true. Here we go. The past present, Vladdy and Joe Carter. Now, hang on one second. Is that a Mega Box exclusive? I want to just check that out real quick. We have not seen that come up, probably because past, present, yeah, it's a Mega Box exclusive. 3 auto, 8 numbered. Take it to the bank. Let's see. Luzardo, J-Rod, teal throwback. Soto, Zeke, And it is an Acuña, and that is the Static Noise. So that is also a retail exclusive. And actually, that is 1 in 1,000 packs on the Static Noise. Boy, oh boy. That is a rarity. Going to Brandon. Congrats, Brandon. Regular inserts. Witt Jr. X-Fractor. Alex Freeland is going to be our first auto. Base auto. The case hit. So this goes out to Davidson. Congrats, Davidson. We got to fix all the stands as we go now for one time around. Static Noise. Nice looking card. Logan O'Hoppe, McGonigal, Future Stars. Is he going to be the rookie of the year? And here's the Jordan, the potential MVP buyback. Thinking he's pretty locked in to take it. Murakami on the throwback rookie. Zach Cole, Rasmussen pulled a bunch. It is, I got to do the math. I never do math in public. Past to present, or excuse me, Static Noise is 1 in 1,175 mega packs. So what is it, 6 packs per? 620? So no, it's definitely not. I lost my spot. Yeah, definitely not a case hit. That's like 1 in every 10 cases about. Ian Seymour is going to be the auto. Ronald, what's up? Hello from the Bahamas. Mr. San Diego Padre himself is coming to us live from the Bahamas. That is awesome. Which island are you at, Ron? How many PCA are we going to hit? That's a good question. There's an Ohtani, though. Little throwback Ohtani. Langoliers. So who are we thinking are going to be the MVPs here? Are we pretty set that it's going to be, there's a Robin Ventura. We pretty set that it's going to be Jordan, and there he is, Ohtani. It's off-centered, but it is a refractor. So that's a nice, I think the refractors are a 40 spot, right? If I recall right. Jac Cags, there's a Judge, Wrecking Crew, Murakami rookie. Already 2 autos, so better than the last case. That's what we want to see. Jeff McNeil, refractor. Now we want those, oh, there it is. Hard to, that was a little easy to miss. Yastrzemski X-Fractor Aqua to 199. That's going out to Brandon again. So Brandon taking it in his first break. Congrats, Brandon. PCA and Jordan. Oh, thinking PCA is going to take it, huh? I guess we should probably start sleeving every PCA, getting it ready. You really think that PCA can overtake Ohtani? We got the Trout Perspectives, Austin Hayes, past to present, and Nathan Church. So all the numbered hits are either going to be true or X-Fractor. X-Fractors are now, even with numbered hits, are now completely unique to the Mega Box format. There's a JJ, could be the Rookie of the Year as well. And Mizorowski, refractor. On a cruise just left. Odds-on favorite now, you believe. Aha. It's definitely on fire. There's another Murakami throwback. So I guess we are going to have to start getting the PCA up there with the Ohtani on the buyback watch. Perspectives Trout, and it's Jimmy Crooks. Blue to 150 X-Fractor going to Kev. Congrats, Kev. Kind of feel Ohtani in the NL. MLB needs to keep their poster boy front and center. That's a very good possibility. Makes total business sense. I mean, we hope that's not the case. We hope that the MLB wouldn't do that, or that those who vote wouldn't vote in that way, and they would vote purely on merit, but we shall see. All right, we have got, what have we got here? All right, let's go with our next 5. We'll super rip 5 at a time. Another break coming tomorrow. We're going to run this one back. A lot less surface area now to take these off. PCA absolutely having an MVP campaign. Yep, that's the truth. I feel the same way, Jeffrey. I feel like it's going to be hard to not have Ohtani be the MVP, even if it's slightly, less deserved statistically. But again, I definitely hope it is purely voted on merit and nothing else. These gloves are like sliding off right now. I don't know why. Feel like we may need to Hulk Hogan them soon. Rip them off and replace them. All right, let's see if we can get on the next set for Joe. Empty box. So 2 autos out of the first 5. Empty. All right, it's Super Rip City time, which is right next to Suplex City, which is where Brock Lesnar resides. There it goes. Thank you guys again for being part of the break. The blaster boxes, they also slimmed down as well. So I have not actually held a blaster, or until now, a mega. The blaster box cases are far smaller than they ever were. As a matter of fact, I'm looking at an old mega box case right now because we have mega boxes of Topps Chrome Football that we're going to be ripping soon too. And the size and the shape is like so ridiculously invented. Whoever came up with the mega box size, they did not. You could tell it was in a time where shipping was affordable and you didn't have to be conscious about shipping prices and the amount of space that boxes took up as cargo. Now you got to be so cognizant of it because everything costs a lot. Shipping has gone wild. Shipping prices have literally doubled in, I'd say, the last, 3 years, 4 years. It's crazy. I remember when my average shipped package to everybody was like $2.95, $3. Now my average is like almost $7. It's crazy. So all that to say, Topps has taken that into consideration when redesigning the packages and so on and so forth. I am a fan of it, though, I must say. I do like that it takes up less space. Just a little strange when you're ripping it, that's all. Takes a little getting used to. I think PCA stats say no. Ooh, Jesse says no. All right, let me move these over. Good luck, guys, on the second stack of 5. Sprout, Chris Bryant, Drake's Cakes, Akamoto. There's a Dylan Cruz. Boy, these Aquas are real easy to miss on the X-Fractor. The numbers just kind of blend in. That goes out to Britton. Congrats, Britton. Roman, Troback. You got to keep an eye out for the PCA. Connor Refractor. stuff is starting to climb back up again. Greg Maddux, there's a Judge. Skenes Perspectives. Schlittler, X-Fractor. Everybody worried about Skenes. What up, Papo? Shipping is insane. Used to be $3. Yup. Getting smoked on Whatnot. eBay as far as shipping, yeah, it's crazy. It's so crazy. Kyle Karros. There's a Shohei. So a potential buyback base. McGonigal on the rookie refractor. That looks so washed out for some reason. Carson Wisenhunt. There's a PCA that's obviously not in play. Oh, and it's an Okamoto on a Raywave rookie auto. So quite interesting. The Raywave makes its way in here. So I thought they weren't putting Raywaves in here at all. So the Raywave auto makes it. Going out to Tampa, to Ricky, congrats. Or excuse me, Toronto. Austin Hayes, there's a Cags Perspectives. Murakami, base rookie. A couple of Murakamis already. Colson, Ramirez, another Murakami. This is the Future Stars. Jac Cags, and Bryce Matthews. So we got 3 autos now, including the old redemption. Gonna be tough to beat. Could be. There's a Connor X-Fractor. We're going to hold out that we're going to even go bigger. I think we are. I think we're going to go even bigger, past the present. Shane Baz. Belly. Diaz. O'Neal Cruz refractor. Soto. There's a Miz base. And I guess you could say Mizorowski is in the hunt. He's probably the number 3 guy, but I don't see him taking it. All right, Skeen Machine. We got a Roman Empire. Kettle Marte X-Fractor. Feel like we're due for an auto. All right, so 1 auto coming out of that set of 5. I gotta get a sip of the aqua. And now we are gonna go to the 3rd quarter of play. Super rip the next 5. I believe they are available in Megas. I gotta check the odds. Yeah, they are, according to the odds. They're in retail. Although it says the light boards are not in hobby or jumbo, which... I don't know if that's wrong or if my brain is wrong. I thought I remember them being in hobby or jumbo as well. But they have changed everything. Although the odds list I have come to see is wrong a lot of the times. They do make errors on the odds list just with not having cards even listed there, which kind of makes you wonder if they're making errors like that. Could the odds list itself be wrong? Kettle Marte turned into Josh Gordon of the MLB. Oh no. What did he do now? Macanudo, VB, what up? What did Kettle Marte do? All right, empty. right, it's time. It's time. It's Super Rip City time. He went AWOL again. Oh no. Like how? Did he flip out on an umpire or a fan or something? I didn't catch that. My goodness. How do these guys do that? Kettle no-show Marte. Oh boy. Well, I guess the wrong Marte got released because I thought I saw Starlin Marte got released the last couple of days too. Maybe they were just preparing for the Diamondbacks to switch up their Martes because one was available in case they get rid of them. See a Rays card in front. Ian Seymour is the auto. Yes, Justin. Flew into Boston and didn't show up with the team. What the heck? Like, what did he do? Did he go out or something? That is crazy. Some of these guys, I guess they don't realize how lucky they are to be one of just 25 on a major league roster. Shame. Missed the break today. Sorry, Justin. We're going to be running it back a number of times, so no stress. Just make sure you got your text message notifications all signed up, and you'll get a text every time we drop the break. Here we go. Found him at a bar the next day. Oh my gosh. What is wrong with people? That's crazy. All right, Marcelo. Good luck, guys, on the next set of 5. Nick Kurtz so good. Seth Lugo. Valera. Joey Adele. How have you guys been doing on the retail products so far in your rips? Flew back to Arizona. Still on the East Coast. My goodness gracious. Why? Christian Yelich, X-Fractor. There's another Ohtani. It's our third Ohtani potential buyback. I don't think we've had a PCA yet. Seems kind of hard to come by. Duran. There's another Ohtani, Wrecking Crew. Jimmy Crooks. Jordan X-Fractor. And another Jordan. There we go, racking up the buybacks for Chris T. The potential buybacks, we should say. All right, we should be doing auto. There's a Seiya to 199. Aqua X-Fractor. Those have been tough to catch. There's a skiing machine and a refractor right behind it. Past to present. Nolan McLean. Thank you guys again for being part of the break tonight. There's another Ohtani. So the buybacks are coming in pretty hot so far. Kyle Karros, Cal Raleigh, Yelly, and Colson. There's Bryce Matthews down below. Let's make a little room here on the stage. All right, I feel like we're due another auto. Come on, let's see it. Oh, and there's another one. So we got a double shot on the Static Noise J-Ram. So that's a quite interesting combo, getting 2 in a case when they are every couple of cases. Let's put that in the top spot. We gotta fix this. Kate Anderson, yes he did. Sure did. Can't wait to see him in the bigs. Yamamoto. Ozzy Albies. Mason Wynn. All right, we need a big auto coming. There's a Murakami X-Fractor. X-Fractors are a little harder to come by in some of the premium players. I remember in 2024, X-Fractors were going really high in the secondary market. Base X-Fractor rookies of Ellie and some of the other top rookies in the product. All right, so no auto coming out of this set of 5. Quite interesting. We are now on our final 5. And let's fix this so it stands at attention. All right, Super Rip City on the last 5. Good luck, guys. See what we got. Now I'm feeling we're going to get 2 autos out of these last 5. That's my call. 5 autos per case. Sounds reasonable. Empty. Getting a redemption showing up. A little bit unusual showing up in the retail cases. However, shall see. Empty. And our final box of the case. New and improved tiny boxes. All right, it is Super Rip City time. And go. Let's see if we get a PCA or 2 or 3 out of this one for you, Joe. Definitely surprising that there's not one PCA. The numbered hits also seem a little lighter than I would have expected. So we've got 3 numbered hits, but 2 very rare inserts. So that could be why. A lot of times we see that sort of as like the balance of how Topps fills out their retail cases. If they put in some of the rare insert chases and things like that, they sometimes go a little lesser on the autos or the numbered. So we'll see. Let's see, maybe we were just holding out for the final 5 after all. Let's get it rolling. Thank you again, guys, for being part of the break. Hey, as always, if you don't mind smashing the like button, sends out the good vibes, tells the Facebook algorithm you like what you see, suggests our stuff to more family members so they can come and watch. Here goes the final 5. Remember when we were chasing Paul Goldschmidt for the MVP buyback? Good luck, guys. Johnny Bench. Colson, refractor rookie. Nick Kurtz, future stars. Kutch. What's up, Britain? One Nat up on the stage right now. Got a Dylan Cruz numbered hit. There's a PCA throwback. I don't think those are part of the buyback, though. Another Jordan. Wow. Jordan X-Fractor. So quite a bit of Jordans and Ohtanis. No PCA bases yet. Another Ohtani. So racking them up is Davidson. Congrats, Davidson. Let's keep it going. I think we're going to get one low numbered hit. I think it's going to be like a white to 30 or something. But we need at least one more auto or two. Ryan Jeffers. Mizorowski, Skenes, Perspectives. Skenes X-Fractor. Mets are struggling just like in real life. Let's see if we can help them out. We can't help them out so much in real life. Let's see if we can vibe them into being. There's a Cody Bellinger numbered to 250. Goes to the Yanks to Steven. Congrats, Steven. Taking the belly. Seth Lugo, Carson Benji. Benj. Chris Bassett. All right, let's get these. Clear the stage, and we are into the final stackaroo. Come on, big auto. I think that was our first Trey Savage rookie, too. Jesus Lizard, and wow, another Corbin Carroll. Static Noise. Boy, oh boy. So, am I mistaken? No, it's 1 in 1100 mega packs. So 3 big boys coming up. That's going out to Blake with the D-backs. Congrats, Blake. Be interesting to see if there's resale value to those guys and what they may be going for. Definitely a rarity. Hurston Waldrop. All right, we need that ink. There's another Ohtani wrecking crew. Come on, Bragley. Need to add to that rainbow. So the final stretch is here. There. Oh, Nico, I thought that was PCA. Wow, and a Skenes as well. Holy cow. Going to Pitt. Goes to Nick. Very interesting case with 4 Static Noise hits coming out. Boy, oh boy. And let's get this up on the stage. Still could use some ink. PCA again, no base, but another PCA, and that's going to do it. So 3 autos. Did I miss a PCA? Or was it a PCA base that I missed? Oh, there we go. There it is. We got a PCA, my bad. All right, well, that's going to do it, guys. Static Noise all over the place. I gotta wonder if that is the norm for cases or not. Have you guys seen Static Noise this often in the cases that you've seen? We'll see. We got a bunch more cases to come. But I think that's probably why we saw a little bit lighter numbered and auto hits, just judging on how retail would typically be, but we shall see. All right, guys, well, we ain't done yet. We're going to do the Mama Parlay giveaway. I'm going to ask you a trivia question. First person in the break to comment with the right answer takes this one home. Are you ready? The question is, and we were talking about it earlier, if you were paying attention, what major league pitching prospect was just called up within the last few hours? Was it Kate Anderson, Liam Doyle, or Tyler Bremner? First person in the break to comment with the right answer will take these top loaders. What top pitching prospect was just called up within the last few hours. Kate Anderson, Liam Doyle, or Tyler Bremner. First person in the break to comment with the right answer takes this one home. Maddie says Anderson, and you are correct. Congrats, Matt. You got yourself a stack of the top loaders. Matt, where are you? There you go. All right, jotted you down. Let's recap it, guys. So an interesting config for this case with 4 static noises loud noises coming out. And Joey was right. The Okamoto held control. Static noise print run, 285 and 15 players. Wow. I can't wait to check the comps. Let's go through the buyback potential. Should we start putting Witt Juniors in here? I guess we probably should, right? Just in case. All right, potential buyback candidates. We got 1 PCA. We've got 4 base Ohtani and 1 refractor Ohtani. Then 4 base Jordan, 2 X-fractor Jordan. Cody Belly to 250, Yastrzemski 199, and then our top 10, Dylan Cruz, Aqua X-fractor 199. Jimmy Crooks, Blue X-fractor to 150. Seiya, Aqua X-fractor to 199. Alex Freeland on the rookie auto. Ian Seymour rookie auto. And then it's our run of static noise. Acuña, Corbin Carroll, J-Ram, Skeen Machine, and our hit of the break is going to be our Redemption Ray Wave rookie auto, Kaz Okamoto to the Jays, going to Ricky. And that is how we do it. 4 static noises in one case. I can't wait to look up the comps. It says they're hard to hit. I think so. Interesting case. Thank you guys for being part of it. I hope you guys enjoyed it and had a great time. Running it back tomorrow, early drop time again at 1 p.m. Eastern time, just like today. Always remember, do something good for someone else. It always comes back to you. And until next time, it's your boy, Parlay J, saying take care, spike your hair. We will see you next time. Goodbye. Good night. Bang.